Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by bringing files into Premiere Pro and checking technical parity. This prevents drift later. Once imported, inspect frame rate and audio sample rate. Make sure they match the sequence settings. You should also open the source monitor to display waveforms. That gives visual anchors. Next, place one reference clip on the timeline and keep its audio visible so you can line up peaks. Doing this now saves time during manual or automated sync steps that follow. You can try Premiere's automatic tools first. Select clips and choose Merge Clips or right-click and synchronize by audio. This works when clear peaks exist. If synchronization isn't perfect, zoom the timeline and match waveform peaks manually. Use the nudge tool to shift by frames. Make sure to disable snapping for micro adjustments, then re-enable it. Also, listen for phase issues. If the combined sound is thin, flip polarity on one track. Once aligned visually and orally, lock the synced clips to avoid accidental shifts. You finish by rendering a several second to 1 minute section to verify audio stays locked to picture. If you notice drift over time, pause and confirm that source frame rates and clip durations truly match the sequence. Reconform any mismatched footage. For persistent issues, convert audio to a fixed sample rate or export sync subclips as new media, then re-import. This bakes sync. One key troubleshooting tip: if alignment breaks intermittently, check for variable frame rate footage and transcode to a constant frame rate before syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.